Hello, welcome to FreeFX. Today I'm going to talk to you about EUR USD and S&P 500 and also gold. Both of S&P and Euro have been quite interesting because of levels and kind of extremes and lots of kind of clusters of price. So I'm going to start really with this. This is a chart of EUR USD. You've obviously seen this before, and I mentioned before that we've got this long-term trend channel from 2008. So it's 12 years in the making with these sort of contact points, and along the way we got to really test the top of the channel. And you can see this is obviously a monthly view, and I was kind of looking out for this candle here, which was looking in August as if it was closing underneath it, but just really today it's been kind of emerging from that, and it's gone beyond 1900. So the price is 1.1942 at the moment, so it's looking like it's pushing higher. This is a confluence of technicals because you've got this fib retracement at 0.23, about 118, and then just 117.79, and then we've got 0.38. Remember, these are quite sort of huge price bands. So, and obviously that takes us to this 1.25 at this contact point. And this could be another sort of strong level. So that's what we're kind of aiming for anyway for that. And then if we think about this, is the S&P overlaid with the euro, so you can see that they're kind of moving in tandem, and the S&P is pushing higher and the euro is now following suit. Interestingly, the S&P has kind of obviously pushed quite a lot higher. So if we wanted to kind of find out where the S&P has gone, we can look at that in more detail. So essentially for the euro, we've had a bit of congestion here between 118 there and 119. And this has kind of created a bit of a congestion here. This is a daily, so we're looking at kind of like 3 weeks almost of price action here. And we're just starting to push on the higher bound. We've kind of been here before on the 18th of August and 19th. So that's kind of where we are at the moment. The next level, as I said, would be like 125, so we've got room there to go up. And this kind of long push here has kind of created an accumulation phase here. And for the S&P 500, if we actually have that, so here's the September expiry contracts for the EMini SP futures from SCME, a very popular way of dealing with futures. And you see the volume here on the dailies. There's been 7 straight days of buying. There's a bit of a selling by the looks of it, but actually I've traded this up, and the way I've done it is this. I've added a few indicators, so we've got the average directional index, and it's showing that the kind of trend momentum has started again back here, sort of mid to late July, and we're kind of in the depth of it. So, and the other thing that's happened here, you can see on the 25th of August, the 100-day moving average has crossed the 200-day moving average in blue. So that's a strong signal as well. So a bit of a stall here, but actually really I think quite a strong signal that this is set to continue higher. That's pretty much it. I was going to mention gold briefly just to finish today, and that's really this. So I mentioned before that gold came to the 2011, August 2011 level here, about 1920. And that's kind of where we've been from back here in kind of 11th of August, so exactly 9 years pretty much, and kind of stalled here. Now we're sort of not really moving that far from there, and it's sort of been following the EUR USD slightly. So today's and yesterday's kind of, well, Friday, it's been kind of an up couple of days, but it's got a lot of room to go. And really, if you're into kind of chart patterns, you could say that this line here and this line here are converging. So essentially you've got what could be a triangle or a flag or whatever you want to call it, or a wedge. So this could lead to either as 2-3 contact points, and 2 there, either sort of get narrower and eventually break to the upside. But in uptrends, most of these tend to be breaks to the downside. So maybe the gold rush has come to an end. We'll just have to see how that goes. So anyway, keep an eye out for these kind of correlations between euro, gold, and S&P. They all tell a story. You just have to kind of look at trends and see how things develop. And good luck trading out there. I'll see you in my next video, and Hopefully my next video will be as exciting as this. Take care. Bye.